Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Euro NCAP crash test results for two popular SUVs, the 2024 Volvo XC90 and the 2024 Mazda CX-80. Both are loaded with safety features and cutting-edge tech, but how do they perform when it comes to crashworthiness? Let's find out. The 2024 Volvo XC90 lives up to its reputation as a safety icon. In the frontal offset test, its passenger compartment remains stable, offering excellent protection for both the driver and passenger, regardless of their size or seating position. In the full-width rigid barrier test, driver protection across all critical body areas was rated good, while rear passenger chest protection was adequate. The XC90 excelled in the side barrier test, scoring maximum points and performed well in the more severe side pull impact, with adequate chest protection and good ratings for other critical areas. An initial issue with the side curtain airbag deployment in the optional third row was swiftly resolved by Volvo, with a retrofit now available for affected vehicles. The XC90 also boasts robust whiplash protection in both front and rear seats, supported by its standard autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system, which achieved full marks in Euro NCAP testing by avoiding collisions at all tested speeds. With its combination of proactive updates and strong crash test performance, the XC90 continues to set high safety standards. The 2024 Mazda CX-80 also proved to be a safety standout. In the frontal offset test, its passenger compartment remained stable, providing excellent protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Mazda demonstrated that this protection extends to occupants of varying sizes and positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the CX-80 performed similarly, with adequate rear passenger chest protection and good ratings for all other critical areas. The side barrier and side pull tests showcased the CX-80's strengths, earning full points for excellent protection across all body regions. The CX-80 goes the extra mile with secondary safety features, including a system to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries during side impacts and measures to ensure doors and windows remain operable in submersion scenarios. Its advanced e-call system alerts emergency services in the event of a crash, and it prevents secondary collisions through post-impact braking. These thoughtful touches, combined with stellar crash test results, make the CX-80 a formidable contender in the safety arena. In summary, both the Volvo XC90 and Mazda CX-80 are exceptional when it comes to safety, offering robust crash protection and innovative features. The XC90 excels in proactive safety measures, while the CX-80 shines with its focus on secondary safety and occupant well-being. Which one suits your needs better? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons. See you next time.